Caribou, guardians of the Arctic. Understanding the blending lives of nature's resilient wanderers.
By AI for Kids. Join us on an unforgettable exploration of the caribou, a creature whose migrations, antlers, and social structures captivate not only the tapestry of the Arctic but our very souls. This narrative aims to celebrate their contributions while also highlighting the critical conservation efforts essential for their future. Discover how these noble animals are woven into the spiritual and ecological fabric of our world. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Caribou Legends of the North.
The caribou, known as the reindeer in other parts of the world, has a distinctive presence in the Arctic and subarctic regions. These majestic animals roam across unspoiled landscapes where frost and beauty coexist. Renowned for their endurance, caribou migrate further than any other terrestrial mammal, their journeys a testament to nature's marvel. They traverse icy tundras, alpine forests, and formulating pathways that echo in the tales of indigenous peoples.
Under the northern lights, the caribou journey showcases nature's timeless dance. This ancient pilgrimage is guided by instincts and the need for survival, painting life on white blanketed terrains. Feel the rhythm of earth beneath hooves as each step tells the story of generations.
Antlers to inspire.
Both male and female caribou boast antlers, a rarity among deer species. These antlers are symbols of status, power, and tools crucial for survival. They grow faster than any other mammalian bone to gear up for the rut, a period of mating battles when males clash antlers in ritualistic displays of strength. For females, antlers retain a unique role, offering them the ability to forage independently even in harsh winters.
Amidst forests and tundras, antlers rise as nature's elegant weapons. Each branch and tine tells stories of growth, dominance, and life under the northern sun. Carrying antlers feels like wearing nature's crown, reminding me of who I am.
Swimming the glacial waters.
Caribou are masters of migration, part of which includes their impressive swimming abilities. The icy rivers and lakes pose no threat as they traverse waters with buoyant grace thanks to their hollow fur. Their dedication ensures they reach verdant feeding grounds and birthing sites. This attribute once inspired native tales of caribou who navigated rivers to bring fire to their people.
In the glacial whispers, brave caribou cross waterways with elegant strokes, embodying the flawless interaction of muscle, momentum, and buoyant harmony. Each swim is not just a crossing, but a dance with the waters of time.
Guardians of the ecosystem.
Caribou are vital ecosystem engineers. As grazers, they maintain plant diversity, control the spread of certain vegetation, and influence nutrient cycles. This balance is crucial for other species sharing these landscapes. Their presence attracts predators like wolves and bears, weaving a dynamic web of life. Such interconnectedness teaches us the importance of each thread in nature's intricate tapestry.
In the web of Arctic life, each caribou step echoes through the flora, its grazing a gentle reminder that balance is nature's oldest tale. Every nibble is a note in nature's vast, melodic composition where nothing goes unheard.
The call of the herd.
Caribou are inherently social, their herds sculpting the northern landscapes into vivid scenes of unity and migration. Caribou herds can be vast or intimate, adapting as seasons change. Such movements are dictated by environmental cues, food sources, and protection against predators. This social fabric is woven deeply with instinctual loyalties and communal care, underscoring survival in harsh climates.
The call of the herd is not merely a sound, it's the pulse of life driven by survival and instinct amidst tundra camaraderie. Bound not by bonds, but the shared songs of survival, a symphony of hooves and hearts.
Guardians of tradition.
For indigenous cultures of the North, caribou are far more than creatures of the wild. They represent sustenance, tradition, and spiritual kin. Caribou are intricately woven into the cultural fabric, featured in songs, stories, and art. They are the thread binding the material and spiritual worlds, inspiring reverence across generations, and offering insights into the harmony between humans and nature.
In the flickering shadows of firelight, stories of caribou echo, their spirits dancing among the stars, linking earth to sky in a tapestry of time. I see my reflection in their eyes, a shared legacy of earth and spirit.
Survival in a changing world.
While caribou have thrived for millennia, their future is under threat. Climate change, habitat destruction, and unsustainable hunting practices pose significant risks to their populations. Efforts to conserve these majestic creatures emphasize habitat protection, sustainable management, and understanding their flexible ecological needs. Preserving them means preserving the legacy of resilience and continuity they carry.
In the shifting snows, the story of survival takes on new characters. Together, caribou stride on the edge of yesterday's resilience and tomorrow's uncertainty. I am both survivor and sentinel, navigating the blurred lines between past landscapes and future paths.
Season of new life.
Spring heralds new beginnings as female caribou bear calves, sired during October's rut. This season of renewal carries the promise of continuity. Calves, spotted and wobbly-legged, quickly adapt to the life rhythm of movement and survival handed down through ages. This cycle of life reiterates nature's ceaseless dance and the perpetuation of wisdom through trails etched in the snow and sky.
In the whispers of the thawing earth, life stirs anew, witnessing the arrival of new whisperings of such ancient tales, tiny hooves ready to embrace life's vast dance. Each birth, a small echo of history, a new thread woven through the fabric of the wild.